Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your preferred editor on the fandom.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, tap on this profile button down below and click on view profile. Tap on it again and select my preferences. After that, tap on editing, which is the fourth section, and scroll down to the editor section. And here you can see the preferred editor subcategory or subsection, where you can select from three options: visual editor, source editor, visual editor, source mode. So tap on the relevant one, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the save button down below to update your preferences. That's it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.